Hey everybody, Mike here from ProCycle. Wanted to give you a quick lowdown on some new pegs that we got in. We're really excited about these. Not only are they made in the US, they are made right here in the great state of Oregon. And they're a whole new platform, literally, that you can stand on your bike. It's a brand new set of pegs. So anyways, as you can probably see, they're motion pegs. It's a flex mount foot peg system. And what do you say, flex mount foot peg system? Don't you already have something like that with pivot pegs or another brand of pegs that move underneath your feet? Yes and no. These are a little bit different, actually quite a bit different than what a pivot peg would be. These actually have a rubber bushing right here that controls your flex. You can get them in different hardnesses. They come shipped with the standard medium hardness in there, so you could get a soft or a little bit harder. That's going to control your flex on the shaft that runs through these pegs. So as you can see, they're kind of a modular design. You can always get the base. You can actually get different foot pads for it. So they make a enduro, a trail, a much smaller one as well. So if you're going to be doing some really tight single track, something like that, that's going to come into play. Or say you got another bike, these will cross over with a ton of bikes. So they come with a little insert for the pin as well. So say these are a 10 millimeter peg, you got a TW200 that uses an 8 millimeter peg. You just put that collar on. These will actually fit both the DR and the TW, along with the KLR and a handful of other bikes. So super stoked about that. So as we were saying, they are a two-piece design. You've got your base, and then you've got your pad, and then you've got your rubber bushings in here, so that it creates a little bit of a flex forward and back, but it also gives you some vibration dampening, which if you're on a DR650 and you've removed and lowered your pegs and got rid of those sloppy, nasty foot pegs that flop all around your feet, well, this will give you a little bit of the vibration dampening back, because it's going to absorb some of that vibration in those dampeners right there. So really, really cool product. We're really excited about them. They've got nice cleats on top. Everything's replaceable. You can fully rebuild these if you ever need to. But really cool product. We really invite you to check these out. We've got them on the site. We will have more in stock for other bikes really, really shortly. But if you got a DR, you're looking for the next step in pegs, this is what you want, and we've got them. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Give you some insight on these new pegs that we have here. Don't forget to give us a subscribe and like on YouTube if you did like this video. We've got more coming out. And also hop on over to Facebook. Give us a like there and follow us there. We've always got new and interesting and exciting stuff coming up there that we don't put on YouTube. So come check us out. Follow us on all our socials, and we'll be seeing you on the trail.